Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce an automated account nurturing software for you. This is the main interface of the software. First, I will guide you on how to log in multiple accounts in bulk. You simply paste your account details here, then select the category and choose the correct account format. After that, click Add, and the software will log in all accounts at once. Next, go to Interactive Function and click at Script. Here, you'll see many different options. You can set up real human-like behaviors for your accounts, such as scrolling, the newsfeed, liking posts, reposting, and commenting. You can also interact with target accounts by reacting to posts, commenting, or reposting their content. In addition, you can interact with communities. For example, you can scroll community feeds, like posts, comment, reply to comments, and even join or leave groups automatically. In this demo, I'll select a script that I've already prepared. Then, I choose the accounts and simply click Start. And that's it, the system will begin running automatically.